Look, they're even shorter than usual.
Oh wait.
There's yeah.
Nailed it.
You got that right.
Yep, that happened.
Turn.
I could be wrong.
No, we were supposed to make it left back
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So attractive. Over the top. Shh, you didn't see it.
And you're walking home.
Ah!
That's rude.
No.
Took all my snacks.
But you fucking won't. Alright. Nah, never mind, it's not gonna work.
Get a picture we're gonna get.
Okay, well now let's do it. Okay, everybody get in it. Ready?
Backwards, because I'm so coordinated.
Feel my soul. She said these trees are huge. Aww. Oh, honey.
Isn't she though?
No.
She's so cute.
Chandler, whether or not you. What? It didn't even happen yet.
Wait, where's that? I thought you got there at the back. Is he watching the game?
Yeah, he's watching his Patriots.
Good.
Did everybody finish everything they want to finish before they leave? No? Is that not a thing? Okay.
I know what's happening.
Everybody go then. Jesus Christ, what a waste. What? People are wasting their food all over the place.
Where am I? It's